Okay, dear students, good morning everyone. So today we will be performing the chloride test. So how do we perform the chloride test? For chloride test we will take the sample of water for which the chloride value has to be determined. Okay, and then we will use silver nitrate solution, that is the AgNO3 solution. We will put it into the burette and we will use it as titrant as has been written in the board. You see the titrant is silver nitrate solution, AgNO3 solution, that is in the burette. Okay. Then indicator to be used in this sample is potassium chromate, K2CrO4. Potassium chromate indicator will be used in the titration process. Okay, and then what will be the end point? Initially, on adding potassium chromate to the sample of water whose chloride has to be determined, the initial color will be yellow color, and after titrating with AgNO3 solution, it will turn into brick red. So the end point has been written categorically in the board. You see, yellow color to brick red color. Okay, so now I will show you how to do the okay students, now we will show you the process for the titration of chloride. Okay, so that sample in the titrant AgNO3 has been taken into the burette. AgNO3, this is AgNO3, it is put into the burette. This is the titrant. Okay, it has been poured into the burette. Initial volume has to be noted down. Please mind it, initial volume has to be noted down. Now the indicator potassium chromate will be added into the sample of water taken. The sample water is tap water. It is taken and few drops of potassium chromate indicator will be added into it. The color developed will be yellow color. Please remember, initially yellow color will develop. See, the sample is turning into yellow color. Okay, we have noted down the initial volume in the burette. Yellow color has developed. Now we will begin the titration process. As soon as brick red color develops, okay, we will give few mild rotations to the sample. As soon as brick red color stops, develops, we will stop the titration and we will note down the final volume in the burette. Okay, so now color, see, it's fading and changing. It will develop into brick red color gradually. It will develop into brick red color. The process is going on. So see, brick red color, more or less it has been achieved. Brick red color, few more. Yes, totally perfect. This is brick red color. For the sample, brick red color has been achieved. Okay, stop. Brick red color has been achieved. We will note down the final volume of the titrant in the burette. We will note down the final volume in the burette. Similarly, we will take distilled water here. If you remember, in case of hardness also we had taken blank. Similarly, distilled water or blank we will take in case of chloride test also. We will add few drops of potassium chromate indicator as we have done in case of sample of water. Okay, we have also noted down the final volume of titrant in case of the sample. See, the yellow color has developed in the blank also. The distilled water, potassium chromate indicator has been added, yellow color has been developed. Okay, now we will begin the titration in case of blank or the distilled water also. Initial volume has been noted down. Okay, start. You will see just small movement has to be given and you will see that it will again turn into brick red color. For this case also, for blank also, brick red color will be developed. Okay. So see, the color is being developed. Perfect. We have achieved. This is the brick red color. Once show in front of camera. Okay. This is the brick red color, yellow to brick red color. So our entire process has been depicted to you by this video, that from yellow color to brick red color. Now we will go to the calculation part. Students, this is the calculation of chloride in water. Okay, so chloride unit is mg per liter. You see, the chloride unit is mg per liter. It is given by Vs minus Vv into normality of the sample into 35.45 into 1000 divided by volume of the sample taken. A huge formula. Here Vs is what? Vs is titrant volume. That means how much amount of AgNO3 solution was used in titrating first the sample of water. Okay, titrant volume required for the sample water in milliliter. Vb is titrant volume used for the distilled water or blank in milliliter. Okay, normality of AgNO3 was what? 0.0282 normality. Okay. What was the normality? Normality was AgNO3 0.0282 normality. Then 35.45 is what? It is the atomic weight of chloride or chlorine. Okay, because we are determining the chloride amount. So 35.45 is the amount of atomic weight, and volume of the sample as well as volume of the blank taken. In this case it is 50 ml, but you can take 40 ml, 30 ml, whatever as per your requirement. So this was the entire calculation for the chloride test.